Alright, I come back, Muslim people, to destroy you. I have deleted all the video against Christianity because they are miles better than you. I'm gonna compare Christianity to Muslim, to Islam, next video. Let's talk about Allah is Muhammad. So I'm gonna make maybe this a series. I'm gonna prove to you Allah is Muhammad. It doesn't matter what I say, prove for Allah, but Muhammad used Allah as his wish. Okay, let's go. We will see, does Muhammad got inspiration from Allah only or from other people as well? Let's see this comeback, Muhammad. Okay, so look, we see in here at the judgment day there is only one king, is Allah. So that's all it's about, this one. Okay, so remember, Malik is mean name of Allah as well. One of his name is Malik, is mean king of judgment day, no problem. See, Allah say فيقول ينزل الله إلى السماء الدنيا كل ليلة حين يمضي الثلث الليل فيقول أنا الملك. Every night after midnight, probably let's say after midnight is about maybe 2-3 hours, let's say 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock night time, Allah he come to the lower sky, he tell you, okay, I am the king. Oh, nobody hear him, nobody hear this stupid. And he call in another verse as well, I think I have a video about that. He say, call me, I'm gonna respond to you. So if somebody call you and he say, I'm very close to you than your neck, okay, so if we are very close, why you come to lower sky? Where you go? Where is lower sky? You can hear us from the top. You have angel anyway, you send angel to write on our shoulder, this guy is good, whatever you say is I can't remember the verse, إلا لديه رقيب عتيد. See, it mean you can't say any word, there is somebody, the angels, they will write for you. So okay, so if they write for you, you hear us, you are God, why you come to lower sky? That's not our subject anyway. I'm gonna destroy the stupid Allah and stupid Muhammad, because Muslim is fake, are scumbags. Okay, look, so that's another one as well, and all sahih. Allah again say, this one he say, Allah will hold 7 sky with 1 finger, no problem, that's 1 finger. وَالْأَرْضَيْنَ عَلَى أَصْبَعٍ, 2 earth, so we have 2 earths now. So where is that 2 earth? I don't know, it's a plenty earth. Maybe I make a video about this plenty earth as well. So that's 2, that's 2 finger. والشجرة والثرى على أصبع والخلائق على أصبعين ثم يقول. So about 4 or 5 fingers. Look, he put everything. So 3 is on earth. So if you put earth on your finger, why you put 3 on another finger? What a stupid Allah. This Allah is very stupid. So in here, this hadith he say 4 finger even. This one he say 4 finger, but in other one it give you 5 fingers. And yeah, so he carry 3 and moist on one finger, but you already hold the earth, stupid Allah, and all other creation on 1 finger. You stupid guy. If the 7 skies, if 7 skies is mean universe, that's what they told us, was Big Bang is a universe expansion. If is 7 skies, if it's universe, so that means you carried earth as well. You carried earth. So maybe I make another video for the stupid. I just think about now, it's called bingo. See, another scientific mistake. What a God stupid. Don't lie to us, Muslim people. This is against science. I'm gonna make a video about that. This only this hadith. Stupid people. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, so here as well, what do you say? إن الله تعالى يمسك السماوات يوم القيامة على أصبع. Okay, so I told you before, skies is different entity than earth. So Muslim people, no, it's mean universe. Oh, I told you, stupid people, it's different entity, it's not universe. It's sky ceiling for earth. exactly same width, same height, same everything, same exactly same size. Okay, so Allah here, he carry 7 skies on one finger. Okay, 2 earth, well, I'm reading the Arabic one, on one finger, that's 2 finger. والجبال والشجر, mountain and trees on one finger, so that's 3. والماء والثرى, moist and water on one finger, so that's 4. على إصبعين. And all other creation on 5th one. You see this joke? But my point is not though. I make another video, scientifically proven. Stupid people, Muslim, you are fake. You fake. Okay, and he say, I am the Lord. I am king. No problem. This is not our subject anyway. I'm gonna destroy you, Muslim people. I love it because you scumbag. Okay, so this one again say I'm a king. No problem. So here we go. We see Muhammad. Who got the inspiration from? Is it from Allah? No. Let's see. When Muhammad did genocide against Jewish tribe Banu Qurayza, they killed, somebody say 300, somebody says 700, 900. They bring them, killing them by swords, cutting their neck by swords. Bam, 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 bam. Muhammad. Let's see who give the order to kill those people. Was it Allah inspiration or from another young boy, young teenage? I believe about 12, 13, 14. I'm not exactly sure, but he was teenage. This guy. What is his name? Sa'ad bin Ma'ath. Okay. So okay, let's say yes. Sa'ad bin Ma'ath in Ba'asa Rasulu. Okay, Muhammad. He sent to him and he told him, what do you think? Sa'ad bin Ma'ath, what do you think? He's a teenager. What do you think we do to this tribe? And this Sahih Bukhari, I'm going to show you more. What he say? He say, I am ordering to kill all their fighters. وأن تسب الذرية, and make their children slave and their woman sex slave. If you don't believe sex slave, I give you plenty one, no problem. You see. And what Muhammad said, لقد حكمت فيهم بحكم الملك بحكم الملك. You see what he say? He say you judge it like a judge of God, same one. So how come? So that mean your God thinking like human. So that mean Sa'ad bin Ma'ath is a God. He is clever like a God. We don't need God. So who's taking inspiration from? You should seek Jibril. Say, Jibril, bring me wahi, bring me inspiration from God. Say, Allah, give me inspiration what I do to this tribe. Not you ask another stupid human being, because he's a stupid. I'm going toward this compare it to Allah, to compare it to God. So you give judgment because you like it, because you like stealing, you like killing. Yeah, so and you take their wealth as well. I think in another hadith as well they say you take their wealth as well, wealth. And what you like more? You like sex slave. Oh, Prophet of Allah, merciful. Okay, so okay, where we see. I like this Quran. It's nice. Okay, so that's one. Another hadith. So you see, laqad, okay, again. So here you judge it like judging of Allah, same thing, by decision of King. You see, okay. And here, فَقَضَيْتُ بِحُكْمِ اللَّهِ. You see, he say to, what he say to them? You have judged according to Allah's judgment. You see, well, and he say, it maybe say, king of be judgment like a king. What is the king? According to the king of judgment. Who is the king of judgment? Is Allah. Because he say, okay, I'm gonna see. You see here as well. You see this hadith, and he say at the judgment day, what he does. He say, يأخذ الله عز وجل سماواته وأرضه بيده. Okay, فيقول ويقبض أصابعه ويبسطها أنا الملك. Okay, so in here Allah carry his 7 skies, heavens, and the earth, 2 earths with hand, and he opened the other hand and he say, okay, I am the king. And in another hadith as well he say, who is the king? It's nobody. He killed everybody. He talking to himself in another hadith. No problem. If you don't like, if you want this hadith, I bring you. No problem. And I don't lie. I don't lie. I'm no Muslim to lie. So he say, who's the judge? He talking to himself. He killed everybody. He killed everybody. Even the Israel. Israel is mean the guy is angels who is responsible to cause people to die. Okay, so he take their soul. So even he killed him after that, and he killed who carrying his throne. So if he carrying his throne, died as well, and your throne is stable, no problem. You didn't need them. So why you punish them? Why you create something? They have a life. They carry your throne while your throne remain stable and doesn't fall without them, because you are cruel God, because you are stupid God. Okay, so and we saw now he's a king as well. So and for the death, and there is another hadith probably I didn't bring here, but doesn't matter. If you want, I give you show you as well. For the death, probably I have it. 1 minute, I just check. Okay, so you see, I go to the verse as well. The Sahih Muslim again. What he say? He say, Allah's throne is quick. So it's like quick, like earthquake. It's like that. Why? Because of Sa'd bin Mu'az died. Who is Sa'd bin Mu'az? Is the guy who who gave inspiration to Muhammad, and Muhammad say, yeah, your judgment is exactly like Allah's judgment over the 7 skies. You see? So don't tell me your prophet وَمَا يَنْتَقُ عَنِ الْهَوَى إِنْ هُوَ وَحْيٌ لَا يُوحَى. So Muhammad didn't speak on himself. Whatever he got it is from Allah. Where is it? Is that from Allah or from human? You destroy people. How you stupid? You say this is judgment of Allah, but you give your decision to killing, to genociding another tribe based on human being. What he say? Teenager as well. Because why? Because he influenced this teenager. He influenced by your killing. He saw you do killing. He saw you taking sex slave. So I am peace on Muslim now. I'm gonna destroy you now. Finish. You finished. I'm telling you. Okay. So wait for the next verse, because I just I look at this 2 hadiths is a big scientific mistake. Big. Okay. So thank you, and I probably is right to say I'm sorry to if I heard any Christian people. I deleted all the video. Why? I'm still atheist, but I don't attack Christianity at all. No, because they are safe. None of them swear me once. None of them. All they told me is God bless you. Okay, but you Muslim, you swear in my mom, you swear in my family, you swear in me. So go. Okay, I don't want to say you anyway, because you stupid. I'm gonna destroy you. Absolutely, you fucking filthy people, dirty people, blind people. Your Muhammad is full like Allah. Allah was a stupid, and I'm gonna destroy you more. And the heavy weapons like earth is flat in Quran. Moon has its own light in Quran. I will keep it for either my subscription go, let's say 5,000, or I prefer on debate with Muslim, the famous one, who they think they are very clever. So I'm gonna destroy you. I will reveal it there, because my version of those 2 is unique. There is no copy paste. There are similarity, but I give you no problem. You say earth is spherical, Muslim people. I tell you, mark my word, no problem. Lie as much as you want. Moon has its own light in Quran, but don't say it's a reflection. Say whatever you want. Come debate me. I'm gonna destroy you. I'm gonna reveal this to public people. But I already have few subscription. I don't want to reveal it now, because I'm gonna destroy you. This heavy weapon, but I'm gonna reveal most stupidity of Quran and Allah and Muhammad now. Simple one. That's simple one. Okay, I'm gonna destroy you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.